Day 2 goes, I'm going to have my breakfast at Shaka, and I just spent 400 Philippine pesos, and that's going to add up to about $8. Not quite, but give or take. And I'm sitting on the ocean in Sikihor, San Juan, and I'm in this cool little place, Shaka. Okay, I'll let you know what the food looks like as soon as it gets here. I'll give you a photo. Oh, look at here she comes. Oh, she's ready to roll. She's doing her biking.
I'll just come back. Here.
That is not what I would call a hill. That's not what I would call a hill.
Why? Not going to Dulce Amore. I have problems changing the gear. And my bike, it's not as advanced as yours.
Yeah, no, it's every bit as advanced. Looking good. Wow. Now that is what I call a healthy looking breakfast. And right here on the ocean. And it comes with a great cup of coffee. This, one of my favorite fruits. That is dragon fruit. And here's a special yogurt. Well, that was a good move.
Cheers!
Cheers to who? Cheers to goers.
Cheers to goers! We found a health food here.
That yogurt is made out of coconut milk, so super healthy. And
Let me try.
bread.
Let me try the coconut yogurt with passion fruit. It's really good. It tastes earthy and healthy. This is good. So I'm gonna add it here.
You can get more for 30 pesos. You want me to order you another one?
I want more. You should try Shaka health food.
This is an awesome health food place. I would have to rate it 10 out of 10.
Let me try this.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. It tastes real. Yeah, it's good. Please give us a big like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Love you all.